Hi folks, how's it going? Nate's here. So I finished my parrot with the Bulino engraving, and this is how it looks like. It's pretty neat. It was a lot of work to do. Took me about 10-11 hours to do all this feathering and all this detail. It's a shame with the Bulino. You just um, you just tilt it to one side, and you can see that the image gets kind of lost. Actually, it doesn't get lost, but it shows a different contrast. So I'm pretty happy with this one. Here's a pencil for the size comparison. So this is quite large for Bulino, but anyway, I wanted to do it, and so it is. Yeah. So yeah, I've used just a square graver with no heel. Now I'm experimenting even further with the 105-degree graver and so on. But let's just call this finished because it was quite tedious and long. So yeah. Everybody, if you have any suggestions, let me know. If you have any comments, leave them down in the comments section. Everybody, just enjoy engraving, and thanks for watching.